Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest Samsung news, and it is going to be regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This time around, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming with the groundbreaking technologies inside, and it is going to be absolutely innovative device this time around. And we honestly think that this is going to be a device which is going to be coming with much innovation than rest of the devices that has been launched this year. So talking about the innovation, we have seen in the multiple of leaks that the under panel camera sensor is going to be coming the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it is going to be happening this time around because OIS Universe has already pointed out that there are going to be not only one but there is going to be two under panel camera sensor that are going to be coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and they are going to be present on the front and the outer display of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is going to be pretty amazing. And honestly, I think that if Samsung is bringing the under panel camera sensor to their Galaxy Z Fold 3 devices, so they are going to be absolutely amazing, and their quality are going to be really good in terms of the performance of their camera sensor that are coming with under panel. And guys, we have also here in the leaks that the under panel camera sensor that is going to be coming in the Z Fold 3, it's going to be having a 16 megapixel sensor on the front display, and the outer display is going to be coming with a 12 megapixel of under panel camera sensor, which is going to be very amazing. Whereas the rest of the camera sensor are expected to be coming with a similar Galaxy S21 Plus camera sensor that are going to be 12 megapixel of main, 12 megapixel of ultra, and 16 megapixel of a camera sensor on the backside of Galaxy Z Fold 3. And also, it is going to be 100% confirmed that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming with the Spen support inside, and this is going to be pretty amazing, and I honestly looking forward towards the Spen support. And not only that, there is going to be much improvement in the Spen as well. The Spen which is going to be coming with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 according to OIS Universe is going to be having a 9 millisecond of a delay on the front panel, which is going to be utilized for the Spen. And also, it is going to be supported by Bluetooth inside, which is going to be absolutely amazing. And most importantly, this S Pen is going to be built in the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and that is going to be amazing because as you guys already know that there is not going to be any Note devices this time around which is going to be coming with a built-in S Pen inside. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be a device that is going to be coming with that technology. We are also getting information about the display of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and this is going to be very disappointment because the new leak that has been pop up from the unknown source is going to be giving us a detail that the next generation of Z Fold 3 outdoor display is going to be coming with a 5.4 inch of a screen size instead of the 6.23 inch which was available in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So honestly, I don't believe that particular leak because this is not going to be happening. If we have a 6.23 inch of outer display for the Galaxy Z Fold 2, then this is going to be happening in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And according to Ross Young and some other Twitter leakers like the OIS Universe are also saying that this is not going to be happening. So guys, honestly, I think that the Z Fold 3 is going to be one of the biggest innovative devices this time around which are going to be coming from Samsung this year, and I am honestly looking forward towards that particular device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device that is going to be coming with this new innovation? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.